Alright guys, so it's your girl Jamaican Boss Lady, and this video is gonna be on Squadelp. So I'm gonna show you how you can make money on Squadelp, and I'll explain what's going on right here. So as you can see, that's the brand. Alright, Squadelp is a website where you help companies to name their businesses. You can also do logos and stuff like that. So right here I'm opening one of the contests in a new browser so you can see what it looks like. So you should definitely go ahead and sorry about that guys, you should go ahead and check out the information, see exactly what they are requiring and stuff like that. Go ahead and read up everything. Also, when you're submitting, they will sometimes ask you to include a website that can go with the name that you are suggesting. So what you're basically doing is suggesting names for these businesses and a website address as well that is available, and they will go through the submissions, select the ones that they like best, and then they will pay you 100 US dollars or whatever they are offering to pay you to name their business and provide a website name as well. Now, you are not going to purchase these websites. You're just providing the names and they are going to purchase the websites themselves. So it has to be an available domain name. Okay, so this is where they are showing you all the information. Some people will say they only want one name website, or they don't have a minimum of words that you would use to make up the website. So on the right hand side here you can see all the information, how many people have submitted names and stuff, how many have been liked and rejected, how many because they can say you're on the right track, I like this one, I don't like these, and so you will see the amount on that side. Also the top contest contributors, you will see information about the person who is posting the contest as well, how many contests they have posted, how many money they have spent. So you can see this person mostly posts $100 contests because they have 5 contests and they have $500 that they have spent on Squadelp. So guys, Squadelp, the link will be in the description below, so make sure to check it out and sign up. I must explain that when you sign up for Squadelp, that you will have to participate in, they give you about 5 or 6 contests that you are eligible to take part in, to see how, if you know what you're doing. Okay, so they have a lot of suggestions, a lot of help articles, and I think videos on the side that you can check out. So don't just jump into it because you see these amounts. Go and familiarize yourself with what is required of you. Now they're showing you people who are in the contest here, and I was actually trying to open the details, but it would not allow me to because it is a private contest. So that is why I actually did not do a contest in this video, because it is private. They don't want people to be seeing what you suggested, okay, for their business name and stuff. So you go ahead This page took me to somewhere I did not want to go, so I had to click on the back button to go back to the correct place. And yes, guys, I recorded this video last night, so I'm doing a voiceover for it now. Okay, most importantly, you're seeing the information on the screen, so you will not be lost. Yes, I was here for a little while before I realized that something went AWire. So thank God for the back button. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the submit your entry, and that is what was supposed to come up the first time I clicked. I don't know what I clicked. Okay. And then they explain that because you're new, you are given 5 um, entries. So you can send up to 5 different names and domain names. You want to add more, just click on that button down there and you can do that 5 times. When you're when you've typed in the name that you're suggesting for the business, they will tell you if it is allowed or not. And then when you type in the website you're suggesting, they will show you if it is allowed or not. Remember to read the details, the requirements, and stuff like that, because there information there that is very important, as in they will tell you if they only want .coms or if other extensions are allowed, and they will show you the extension. So make sure to open the contest and read the details, and also they will tell you what kind of names they like and stuff like that. As you can see here, I'm scrolling down and I'm looking. You can see the date, how much days are left in the contest and stuff like that, how much they are paying, how many people have submitted offers and stuff like that. So if you notice here, I have done, all right, how the process goes at first. As I mentioned before, that they tell you to submit offers and they give you 6 options, and then they will look at it and see if this is the right thing for you. So what I did was I actually entered those contests, and they require at least 10 submissions before they will look into it and see. So the first 2 contests that I joined, because I sent 5 each, because they allow you to send 5 when you're new, I of course was accepted. They liked what I sent in. So these I'm looking on here are submissions that were won in the past. So these are businesses that were named. People sent in their contest and they won, and those are the names. So I'm going down the page now to show you what it looks like and stuff like that. So guys, check out the page. All right, don't just go on and jump into it. As I said before, familiarize yourself. Check out the help section and stuff like that. Now, I am sure you're wondering, how do you get paid? Well, you get paid through PayPal and or Pioneer. Most of these companies, they are going to pay you through PayPal or Pioneer. And I don't have to tell you guys, I love Pioneer, because when you get paid to Pioneer, you can go to the ATM and withdraw your money in Jamaican currency or US dollars if you find one of those Scotia machines that allow you to do so. I know for sure one is in halfway 3. Um, yes, so you can do a little search on that if it is that you want the the US currency in your hand. All right, for me, I don't really mind. I'm gonna have to change it anyway. So I just go to the ATM and withdraw Jamaican currency. All right, so this is the tips for contestant page, and go through these guys, read it. Just spend a little time. I repeat, to familiarize yourselves with what they are requesting. You can make money here, as you can see, but if you just jump in and you're not accepted, then you know how that goes. So take a little time to familiarize yourselves with what's going on. And remember, all the information is there. If you want, you can also ask the person who posts the contest questions. Sometimes I see they will answer, sometimes they don't. So, but if you are not sure, go ahead and ask them questions. Everybody else will see it, of course, but it is better to be sure about what they are looking for. We all know people sometimes are very hard to please, so they may be vague in what they are um, requesting. So to be sure, just ask them. So this is my dashboard. Of course, you can see I'm new. I recently found out about Squadelp. I did some research and I found that they are legit and they do actually pay. It is a very huge company. And there are many other videos on Squadelp of payment proof and stuff like that. So it is not a scam, guys. And I do not promote scams on my channel. Okay, so go ahead and check out the helpful articles. They are indeed very helpful. I did all these things that I'm telling you guys. I'm not just telling you. This is what I did. I had to spend some time and go through all of these things to ensure I know what I'm getting myself into. Okay.